Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free updates on how you can earn in USDT. So you can see the money I've made for myself today, and this is 1.47 USDT I've made for myself. You can see deposit into basic wallet. So here is going to be a live withdrawal. I'll be withdrawing this money live into my wallet, and I'll be teaching you how you can make your own money. All you just have to do is to register, input your email, your login password, security password. You register with your email, and that's so simple. This is the interface of the platform. All you just have to do, click on quantify. Once you click on quantify, it takes you to this interface. My today assets and today earnings are 0. You see the live earnings I'll be making now. All you just have to do, just click on to start quantify. Once you start quantifying, and this is the USDT I've made for myself today, and this is my earnings for today. So you can see my profit and my today's earnings have reflected into my dashboard. So I'll be teaching on how you can make your own money in this platform. Weekly, let's withdraw my earnings today into my trust wallet. So once you click on withdrawal, it takes you to this interface. So this is the USDT I'll be withdrawing into my trust wallet. Let me fetch my trust wallet. This is my trust wallet. See, I have 10 USDT in my trust wallet. Remember, this is a live withdrawal, so you'll be seeing how I made it, and the money will be reflecting immediately into my trust wallet. So let us fetch my trust wallet address immediately and let's withdraw. So this is my once I copy my trust wallet address, we go back to the interface of the platform. So this is a platform. So what I just have to do is to input my address, the amount I want to withdraw, and everything. Press on confirm. Immediately you see withdraw sources. Withdraw, so you see the money have left the platform and it has reflected in my trust wallet. This is very simple and easy. Within 2 minutes you have gotten your money. Quickly, let me teach you how you can earn in this platform. All you just have to do is to top up. It takes you to this interface, and how to recharge, you takes to this interface. And these are the VIPs they have in this platform. You can decide to recharge any VIP of your choice. You unlock anyone. Remember, the higher VIP you unlock, the higher massive income you are earning and bagging for yourself. You need to make money this 2025. You can also earn massively in this platform by inviting your friends. Once you click on invite friends, it takes you to this interface. All you just have to do is copy your referral link and send it to your friends. Once they register with your referral link, you will be getting a good rebate income, like you'll be making commission in this platform, and you can build your team. Once you build your team members, you are making massive income in this platform. So all you just have to do is invite your friends, recharge, top up, and start enjoying daily profit and daily income in this platform. Very simple and easy. So while building your team, you are getting commission in each member that's registered with your referral link, and make sure that they use your referral code. So I hope you love this video, and I hope you'll be making massive income for yourself very soon, as I've showed you my own earnings, and you're withdrawing live into your trust wallet without any stress. Within the space of 2 minutes, you'll be getting your money ready inside your trust wallet. So I hope you find this video very helpful, and you'll be bagging a lot of money for yourself. So please subscribe to our channel so you'll be first to be notified once we upload new updates on how you can earn in USDT. So, and how we share best platform that you can earn in USDT and bag massive income for yourself. Thank you. Bye.